Welcome back to Kanye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got a churro cookie. Now, I seen this cookie at CRUMBL and knew I just had to try it for myself. Now, this is something a bit different than we usually do, you know? We're baking cookies today, so I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not much of an avid baker. But, hey, there's no challenge that I'm not willing to accept. So, we're gonna see how these turns out and, you know, hopefully I can make it just like the same way it comes out from CRUMBL. All right, so stay tuned and let's see how it turns out.
So first we're gonna start with a bowl full of flour. And we're gonna add the baking soda, cream of tartar, and salt. And get that all mixed in. Want to get some better lighting for you guys, but still mixing it up, make sure it's all mixed in very well. Now we got our wet mix, so we get 1 cup of butter, add your sugar, and add your brown sugar. You can have light, you can have dark. If you have both, use light here. You want it to have this kind of consistency before you add your eggs, so make sure you mix it very well. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And make sure you mix it in well. You should have the consistency right here, as you see on the right. And now we're gonna mix the two. Now let's get them together. Oh, didn't work, let's try again. There we go. Now it should have this kind of consistency. Now that's some good cookie dough right there. Now you're gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge while we make our frosting. So just put all the ingredients you see in the description box, just throw them all in there, and get mixing. It should look just like this. Now I got still a little bit of bits of butter in there. I got those mixed out too later on, but just make sure you mix it in very well. So form your dough into balls, and then time to make the cinnamon sugar mixture. So you get a little bit of sugar and get a little bit of cinnamon, and you mix it up. So it's to get that nice churro style effect for these cookies. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get each ball and roll it in. You want it nice and covered with that cinnamon sugar mixture. Now time to put them in the oven on 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. Now they rose a little bit higher than I expected, and these actually turned out to taste a little more like Snickerdoodles, but hey, still amazing.
So before we begin, hey, don't come at me for my frosting skills, okay? I'm sorry, I just try to get it on there. I ain't have no pipette or something fancy, so the frosting's on, and that's all that matters. So, now there's one thing left to do, and let's try these. Ooh, look at them. Ooh, almost slid off the plate. Look at that. The frosting tastes delicious. I think I really did something special with these cookies now. Now they may not be as flat as I really hoped they would be. They rose a little bit higher than expected, but I don't think that's really a problem. All that matters is how it's gonna taste. So, let's bite into one of these bad boys. Let's see if Kanye's Kitchen can start adding bacon to the menu. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh snap. That's soft on the inside too. Oh, it's like a pillow with the cinnamon and the sugar. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Hey, if you need to bake some cookies, you need to bake this recipe ASAP. Oh my gosh. And this recipe makes about, I want to say nearly like almost 20 cookies. So, oh my goodness. This is one you definitely need to try out. Oh my God. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, that's something special right there. You know what? I'm gonna go share these cookies because I can't eat all the cookies by myself, you know. But Stay tuned for the next episode. We out.